Okay, then let's create today's mechanical part. So I choose this particular part. For creating this part, I preferred to use part design and curve workbench in FreeCAD. But first I read the drawing properly. Then I found that these two fundamental sketch have too much to create first. First one is this one and second one is this one. So let's begin. Select the FreeCAD, parametric part, sketch, XY plane. Okay, now first create sketch, then I give the dimension and constraint. Okay, now 150, 50. Okay, constraint. Okay, 60 and 60. Okay, look like a something gone wrong here. Okay then. Now let's create again 60 and 50. Okay, so first sketch is created. Now second sketch. For this sketch I preferred YZ plane. Okay, and arc 3-point arc. Select and this one. Okay, constraint. Give the dimension 70, 100, 150. Okay, so I think my both sketch is completed. Now I have to convert, have to mix this sketch. For that I'm using curve workbench. Select the both sketch, sketch 1 and sketch 2, mix curve. So I get another one. Okay, after creating this I back to the part design, preview, and select XY plane, creating new plane, and it's 70. Oops, it's minus 70. What happened here? Okay, finally I got a new plane. Hide that one. Now create a sketch. Okay, now I random created here. Okay, give the dimension 50, 150, diameter is 60, and another one is 50. Okay, okay then once again I have to create this same thing here. $60 and okay, first I have to create pad from this 50. Okay, now I have this sketch and this mesh curve. Okay, so select this sketch and additive part, add edge, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, make an independent. So it's created, but it's completely filled. Okay, so for that, once again, sketch here. Okay, diameter is 50. Close and select this sketch, subtractive pipe. For better view, I hide this additive pipe. Okay, add edge, this one, this, and last one. Okay, make independent, and here we go, we got our part. Okay, I hide this curve, then select this face and create a sketch. Okay, rotate, convert entity. Okay, and let's just check the drawing. 50. Okay, 50. Now select this line and polar area. Total quantity is 3. Okay, I got my array. Let's check the dimension. Radius 15 and 12.3. Radius 15 and 12.3. Okay, select this 3 and give the equal constraint. Likewise, select this internal circle and equal. Okay, select this one, and this one, and lock it. Okay, now sketch. Okay, give the relation. Okay, I got the dimension and relation. Now trim it. Okay, and diameter is 50. I think I created all the drawing, and I need to extrude this 15. Okay, so one thing is remaining here is a fillet, this fillet, but I don't think that it will be 10 mm happen. Let's try 10. Select, okay, it's completed. So entire drawing is ready. Let's give the color. Okay, select any color. I prefer this one. Close and shade it. So all thing is done here. I hope you might be like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.